work here.
Quinn, take left with McMahon and Graham. Ross and I will go right. I'll take point. You enjoying your work, Ross?
Shut up, cracker.
3, 2, 1. Fire in the hole.
McMahon, first things first. Let's try to get the lights back on. If Smithy's 2 for 2, this place has a renewable energy source we can still boot up.
Just give me a second.
Okay, fellas, you should be getting lights in just a moment.
Emergency lights are on. Could be a glitch.
Or it could be working as intended.
Lord knows how old this tech is. And unless they left in a hurry, I'll reckon they nuked about every drive in this building.
It's a big place. They must have left something behind, even if they had the time to leave.
Well, the computer's booted up just fine. This is definitely the office. Overlooks a large open cave system. From what I can tell, this computer was probably last used in like...
Shut up, cracker.
Which is, I'm guessing, why they ran this on Windows. However, in spite of this, it looks like they had a pretty good thing going. All the logs are imported from every computer onto one shared drive that the SCP can do. They've got massive banks of audio and video logs. I could skim through them while we're here. Might give us a good heads up if you guys are about to step into something.
Alright, keep me posted. I'm gonna send someone up to check in.
Bravo 2, this is Bravo 1-5. Exiting the mine. Over.
You fat, bald bastard, you piece of subhuman trash! 2,000 years of constant human evolution to create a hairless fuck!
Buenos dias, Mandy.
Nani?
This is gonna be a long fucking day.
Wait, hold up. We got a body here.
Well, shit. Here I thought Smithy was just taking us for a walk.
Graham, take the corpse upstairs and give it a good once-over. See if you can figure out how this guy bit the dust.
No.
Memo to Mr. Gibbons from the director. I noticed you didn't put the new cover sheets on your TPS report. If you could use the new cover sheets from now on, that would be great.
Shut up!
Hey, check this out. Got a base of water here. Must have defrosted pretty quick. Dive suit's airtight. Oxygen's topped off.
Good. Let's move.
Nigga. It's in danger. My evening's in danger. You tell me when I saw this woman. We are talking about the greatest boy. Good. I am your bitch. I'm the greatest boo that you are ever gonna get.
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship.
Right?
Zooming through the sky, little lights
Deal.
climb
I think that's our
aboard.
cue.
Yeah, no shit. Let's go.
There's so
Let me, man! Ah! I'm a 1-1. Anyone read me? Over? Sir, it's been breached! Oh, God, it fucking burns! Fucking hurts already!
we're going on a mission. Start the countdown.
How are his chances? defenses.
Not good. You think that did the trick?
Maybe. But I think it'll take time for its immune system to fully shut down. So, keep your guard up. Take the scenic route. Stay frosty. We'll have to make a break for it up here. Once you start running, don't stop till you're out.